Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see 2013 Toyota Highlander and that rear blade right in this wiper, it's completely falling apart and it's time to install the new one. This is kind of tricky, right, how to do that, because look at this, there's not much of access, you cannot open it more, right? So you might have been wondering how to replace that. You start with grabbing this plastic piece underneath and gently taking it off. That's step number one. Then you will be allowed finally to move this blade further, right, the entire arm further from the window. And if you do that and grab this part, you can nicely disconnect it from that arm. And this is basically the full replaceable part, right? Some of you might be interested in replacing just the insert itself. I was in the store today at Napa Auto and they sold me the whole unit. Let me show you. It is the brand new product. We compared them in the store with the worker there, right? So it was really looking like exactly same part. Yeah, I will say they are completely identical. And obviously installation is reverse, right? You just click it in, right? Boom, it's there. This is how that system works. Now it's resting down. Excuse me again. You take this cover and you gently, paying attention to the detail, install it on. And here we go. You have brand new rear windshield wiper installed. Well, if you had the part ready, it will take probably only 2 minutes. As you can see, some service it's really easy and I believe everybody can do it by themselves and they don't have to pay anybody else. Thank you for watching and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.